welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this eye look. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting off here by priming my skin with the spray primer. I'm adding some moisturizer, just giving myself a good canvas to start this makeup look on. Can't forget the eye cream, it's very important, so I'm adding that in right there. So I did my eyebrows off camera, and if you guys want a tutorial on that, I have one on my IG page, but I can put one on here as well. The color that I'm starting off with on my lid is Jet Set. It's that pastel blue color, and I'm basically keeping it on the lid, going slightly in the crease, but not really. As you can see here, I'm patting that color in close to my lash line. Once I finish putting that color in, I'm actually taking my face powder and I'm using a small blending brush, and I'm just using that to kind of diffuse out any sharp edges of the shadow. So you can see I'm kind of putting in my crease, but making sure that I still keep that blue there. Next, I'm applying this liner by Makeup Forever. Kind of creating a ring. The tape really helps with this part right here. Going in with some mascara to coat those lashes before I apply some falsies. Going back in the palette with this purple to get into my bottom lash line right there. For foundation, I'm going in with this Dior foundation, and I'm just gonna blend that out with a beauty blender, as you can see. Using my concealer to kind of highlight these points right here. Today I decided to set with Airspun setting powder. After that, just add in some bronze to kind of warm up my face. Just putting some blush from this Kevyn Aucoin palette, and I also will be using the highlighter there. And this is an e.l.f. bronzer, but I actually like it as a highlighter. Wow. Unfortunately, this was the last day. My highlighter broke. So, of course, my favorite lipstick by Huda Beauty in the color Interview. Love this lipstick. It's like a perfect nude for me. Setting spray to finish off the look. And we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you in my next video.